this computer. Okay. So you're gonna do your username or your URL. So Decor, Sandy Lynn's decorandmore.com, and then you're gonna do WP-admin, and that URL will be in that email that you said that I just sent.
Okay.
And then when you do that, it'll bring you to this, and that's where you're gonna put in that username that you just created, and it'll have you create a password. That email I just sent you, it'll have you create a password. So that's where you'll go to log in.
Okay.
Okay. When you get logged in, this is what it'll look like. Let me log back in here. This is what it'll look like on the back end. Anytime I refer to the back end of your website, this is what I'm talking about. Have you ever been on WordPress or any of that stuff? Have you ever had experience with this?
Nope.
Okay. Right here where it's manual, there's some videos in here and a user manual to kind of just be a first touch for you. If you have any questions, there's most likely a video in here for you. Pages, if we click on pages, right here is your first page, your home page, the page that we created. If you hit edit with Elementor, here you can change the text and the photos and stuff that's in here.
Oh, okay.
Just give it a minute to pull up.
All right.
Sorry, my phone is being blown up. So
that's all right.
Are you, do you use MailChimp or anything like that?
Not yet. I know I need to start looking into that type of stuff now.
Okay. This is just a drag and drop builder. That's so any of the elements that you want to use over here. Go. No, not right now. Go.
Yep.
Sorry. Any
You're fine.
that you want to use, or you're just going to drag them and drop them. You shouldn't need to touch any of this stuff unless you want to. But if you want to change the text, you're just going to click on it and see how this box popped up over here. That's where you can change the text at.
Okay.
If you want to change the photos.
All right.
In between see the blue line right there and the blue line.
Yeah.
This is called a section. So anytime you want to edit the section, you're just going to right click on that and hit edit section. You go over here to style. There's where you can change the photo.
Okay.
Does that make sense to you? If you want to change any of these words,
it does.
You're just going to click on it, and there's where you can change the text. This gallery, if you want to update these photos right here, you're just going to do the same thing. You're going to right click on this blue little section, edit gallery.
Okay.
And right here, you can add in new images. So you'll upload your new files that you want, and then you'll select them, whichever ones you want, and hit add to gallery.
Okay.
And it'll bring you to this screen where you can edit or move around or whatever you want to do with those photos. So you can constantly keep those updated and fresh. These, I believe, will just take you to your Facebook page. I believe that's where we have them going to.
Okay.
Your shop on your Facebook page is where they're going to. So if they click on these, that's where they'll take them to. Your about section, say if you want to change this photo, you're just going to hit this little blue pencil. There's the photo. There's supposed to be the photo right there. I don't know why it's not showing up. There's where you change the photo at. Your testimonial, same thing. Right there's the content or the wording.
Okay.
And then these also go to your Facebook shop.
Okay.
Whenever you get your newsletter set up, whenever you get your email marketing set up, then we can connect this to your email marketing so that that button will, and it'll subscribe them to your newsletter.
Okay.
Do you have any questions? I know that was a lot to throw at you.
Yeah, no, that actually makes sense.
Good.
Once I get in there. So it doesn't look as bad as I thought it was going to be.
No, I like to make it as simple as possible.
Yeah, that's good.
That's with the package that you bought. That's pretty much all that there is to your website. It's just that one single page.
Okay.
And like I said, all your links are linking to your Facebook shop. So like if they click on this, it's going to take them to your Facebook shop.
All right. That's good.
Have all your products for sale right there.
Cool. All right. No, I don't think so. Just checking my email here and make sure.
Did you get one?
See if I got it. No, I haven't yet.
Let me see. It's the sandywicks23@gmail.com.
Yeah. And I guess I did, when I set up the website or got the domain, I did use the business email, but
that shouldn't matter.
I don't know if that makes a difference. Okay.
To that one. So I just
all right, yeah.
Copy this. I just created you a generic password.
Oh, here we go. I got something here.
Did you get something?
Notice the password change. Yeah.
Okay.
I got the password change email. So.
Let me.
Cool.
Let me just send you all this information so that you don't have to.
Okay. I wonder if that went to. No, it didn't go to my spam either. I thought maybe it just went to somewhere else, but.
That's so strange. I'm gonna put save me in the subject line so that you'll remember to. Okay. So that you always have that information. Yeah. Okay. Let me make sure you get that before I get off here with you.
Okay. Yep, I got that.
Okay, perfect. Cool. Do you want to try to log in? Are you? It's not going to work from your phone. You do have a desktop, correct? Anytime you
I'm
on the site, just make sure you're on your desktop. It will not. It will not be as user-friendly if you're on your phone or your iPad.
Oh. Okay. Let's see here. Oops, Sandy. WP-admin. I know the internet's being a little slow here.
You're fine.
So apologize here.
I appreciate you taking the time to get on a call with me real quick so that I can go over. It's a lot easier to go over with somebody via this than it is to try to explain in written form.
Yes. Yep. I understand that.